Welcome. Want to let your followers know exactly where you are or where a cool event is happening. Adding a location to your Instagram story is a great way to share your whereabouts and make your posts more engaging. In this updated guide, I'm going to show you how to quickly add a location to your story. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on Your Story in the top left corner to start creating your story. Next, choose the photo you want to share. Whether it's a photo from your gallery or one you just took, select the image you want to feature in your story. After selecting your photo, look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Tap on this icon to open up the sticker menu, where you can add interactive elements to your story. In the sticker menu, tap the location icon. This will allow you to add a location tag to your story. Now, start typing the name of the location you want to tag. Instagram will suggest nearby places, so you can select the correct one from the list. Once you've found the right location, tap on it to add it to your story. You can adjust the size and position of the location tag to fit your design. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap Your Story to post it. And that's it. You've successfully added a location to your Instagram story. It's a great way to let your followers know where you are or highlight a special place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips.